Hello everyone, welcome back to the Food Tech Online. As you all know that Kerala Food Safety Officer syllabus is out. So in this video we are going to discuss the new syllabus of the Kerala Food Safety Officer examination in detail, and we will see what are the major points or major subtopics of your syllabus which you have to give emphasis while the preparation of the examination. So as you all know that in the 2015 and 2020 examination, there are 5 subjects or 10 subjects or 10 major topics are asked in your examination. Okay, while on the other hand in the 2024 the syllabus is changed, and now there are 5 subjects or 5 major topics are asked, and these topics are further divided into their subtopics. So let's discuss. So the first major portion is composed of food technology, which make about 20 marks of your total 100 marks examination. So in the food technology, the first major topic is the principles and methods of food preservation, which include all the methods from the conventional methods like heat processing, pasteurization, canning, to the new modern methods including aseptic packaging, then PEE or pulse electric field, thermosonication, ohmic heating, dielectric heating, infrared and induction heating, to the antibacterial and bacteriocins microbial action. So this is the first major subtopic. Then second one is the food fortification, food additives and classification, composition, manufacture, packaging defect of tomato products, means the complete manufacturing method or what is the different manufacturing and packaging techniques for the only tomato products. Here you have to give emphasis on the words of the syllabus, like here only defects and the manufacturing of tomato products are asked. Then others are convenience food and fruit, vegetables. Beverages are also mentioned. You have to discuss only these beverages while preparation, which are tea, coffee, pickles, chutney, sauces, spices, jam, jelly and health drinks and many more. Okay, when we move forward, there are some vegetables, preparation of food and vegetable, minimum processed food. It is an important topic because it is the new demand of the food sector that minimal processed food is asked. Then individual quick freeze products, this is also an important topic. Then some other processings like milling processing, composition of product of the cereals, pulses, millet and oil seeds. So their milling, their byproduct utilization is also important. So these are the some basic or major subtopics of your syllabus. Then we move forward toward the anti-nutritional factors and packaging. Then we also have to discuss the food hygiene, food quality management is main portion which is comprises these topics in your syllabus, which are quality control, then TQM, total quality management, has HACCP, some standards of Codex Commission and environment and waste management. So this is the portion of your food quality and management. Then upper one is the cereals and their utilization of byproduct and development and manufacturing and processing of the cereals. Then two major topics I also mentioned, which are individual quick freeze product, you have to give emphasis, and minimal processed food, and above which there are named some beverages which you have to discuss in detail, and defects or the manufacturing of tomato products. And above which you have to discuss major topic, which is principle and method of food preservation from the traditional or convenience method to the new or advanced technologies in the preservation of food. So this is the complete breakdown of your food technology syllabus. You can cover these topics from the different sources or the standard source, or if you need help you can utilize the information on the YouTube, especially on the Food Tech Online channel. Now the next one is dairy technology portion. The dairy technology portion also make up 20 marks of your total examination, but as compared to food technology, its syllabus is more comprehensive, so it is a very good opportunity for all of you to score marks in the examination. In the dairy technology, you will find the composition of milk, psychochemical properties of milk, milk hygiene, milk microbiology, and the market milk. for the market milk and the other topics like the milk products, their classification, composition, manufacturing, I will prefer you the outline of dairy chemistry, outline of dairy technology book by Dr. Sukumar Dey. In Dr. Sukumar Dey's book, you will find all these topics, and these all topics are covered in a detailed manner. If you do not find something in that book, you can go for the different ICR e-courses. In ICR e-courses, separate e-course is designed for the each subject or the each topic. Like for condensed and dried milk, there is a separate e-course. For milk powder, butter, ghee, there is a different e-course. And for the testing and testing of milk quality and detection of adulterant, you will also prefer the ICR e-course and standard dairy books. But for the detection of adulterant, I will also recommend you the a video on the Food Tech online channel. You will go to the live section of the channel, and you will find a video titled Milk Adulteration or Detection of Milk Adulterants. This video will be helpful for you. I will also recommend you can see the part 2 of the video, because in the part 2 the topic of part 1 are also covered, so you should easily cover the different adulteration detection in the milk part of the your syllabus from that video. Okay. Now we will move forward towards the veterinary sciences. Veterinary sciences syllabus contain first of all the standard for organization and layout of arbitraries, handling and transportation of milk animal including poultry, and antemortem and post-mortem examination of different animal carcasses. Okay, so the veterinary sciences syllabus you will break down into, first of all, the syllabus discuss about the slaughtering and dressing of carcasses, evaluation dressed carcasses including poultry, then related to meat products like meat substitution, then prevention of meat, aquatic food, aging of meat product, and packaging of meat product, physiological, physiochemical and microbiological quality of meat and aquatic food. These are the major portion. Then we have organic meat like food products, then food products of genetically modified animal, marine or origin, then meat as a source of diseases and transmission, physiochemical, nutritional and functional characteristics of egg. So these syllabus can be divided into 3 major portions. First one is the poultry. You have to discuss what are the diseases caused by the poultry, different meats and slaughtering methods of the carcasses are covered in second portion, where marine and aquatic meat products are discussed, organic meat products are discussed, handling and manufacturing of different meat products are discussed, then the transmission of different type of diseases from meat products are discussed. And the third portion is about the egg. What is the physical, chemical, nutritional and functional characteristics of egg, production of egg, processing of egg, preservation and storage of egg product. Okay, so this is the part of veterinary sciences. Then we have nutritional and biochemical and food analysis. This also make 20 marks of your entire examination. And nutritional, biochemistry and food analysis, you can also say it as human nutrition portion, because in this portion we are going to discuss the different type of nutrients, including both macronutrients named carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, and micronutrients named fiber, vitamins, minerals, their characteristic, their sources, their different function in our body, their digestion and absorption processes. So first portion is about that, the different nutrients and their different functions. Second portion is about the analysis of efficiency of the different nutrients like BV or biological value of protein, PER of protein, then digestibility coefficient, what is NPU, which is net protein utilization, then NPR, all of these standards or the analytical methods of the different food products we have to study. What is chemical score, then RQ, determination of BMR, basal metabolic rate, all of these analytical methods for different food constituent or nutrients. Okay, then we have to discuss what is RDA, SDA, balanced diet formulation. Then the next topic, major topic, is analytical technique for detection of adulterant in food. What are the different type of adulterant? Their both chemical procedure and chromatographic techniques. spectroscopic techniques which include IR, UV, MS and AS. See, here you have to give emphasis again on the syllabus mentioned names. Like in this spectroscopic techniques, you have to only discuss the IR, UV, MS and AS, and chromatographic techniques, column paper, TLC, HPLC and GC are the major chromatographic techniques you have to discuss, okay, or you have to study. Food analysis is the next portion in which different food constituent or chemicals composition of food is analyzed, in which moisture content of food, ash content, carbohydrate, fat, crude, protein analysis techniques. And then next portion is the food adulteration, which include common adulterants, their effects on human, and contamination by pesticides and their analysis, oils and fat, iodine value, saponification value. See, again in oils and fat you have to only discuss iodine value or saponification value. So these are the points you have to discuss when you start studying. Now the fifth portion, which is the most vast portion of your syllabus, is the microbiological, biotechnological and medical aspects. So this portion starts with the fundamentals of your microbiology or food microbiology, which include microscopy, staining, gram staining and other type of staining. Then we have microbial growth curve, TDT or TDP, then D value, Z value, sources of microorganism in food, and then food spoilage, their types, what is the post harvesting spoilage, due to pre-harvesting time or improper control in pre-harvesting. Okay, so these are the major basic or fundamental topics of your food microbiology. Then we have foodborne diseases, which include different type of diseases which are transmitted in from food to humans, okay, due to improper or unhygienic or improper microbiological control during the processing or manufacturing of the food. Then these include very important type of bacterial species like Salmonella, which cause the salmonellosis. Then we have Bacillus cereus. So you have to discuss the detailed name of microorganism in detail or study in detail. Okay. Then we have food poisoning, types of food poisoning, methods of investigation of food poisoning. Then food handlers, in which we will see the medical examination of food handlers should be conducted, how we can stop the transmission of infection from food handler to the food, and what are the methods by which a food handler can be a source of microbiological contamination in our food products. Then adulteration of food, sanitation of eating plates, which include minimum standards of eating plates, water supply, then waste disposal and washing facilities in a processing plant. Okay. Then fermented food is an important topic, in which we will discuss what are the microorganisms which are involved in the fermentation of different food, what are their advantage. Okay. Then spoilage of fermented food and microbiological analysis of food and water. Then we have microbiological standard of food and water. And then we have other important topics like application of enzyme immobilization and application in food industry, different major type of enzymes like amylase, invertase, protease, pectinase and cellulase, their advantage, how they disintegrate or digest different food products in our body and their different constituents. And the last one is the genetically modified food and their labeling. Apart this, bioreactors are an important topic. So these are all the subtopics of your syllabus. So this is about today. We start with the syllabus of your Kerala FSO 2024 and we break down the syllabus in detail. We study what are the 5 major subjects of your syllabus, then what are the subtopics of your syllabus, and in the case of dairy technology, I also recommend you the sources for covering this syllabus. And for the other portions of your syllabus, I will again recommend you to visit the Food Tech online channel, and for practicing free MCQs and getting information or the videos for the preparation of the given examination like CUET, PG, CFT, IR, FCI, FSSAI, state FSOs, I will recommend you to visit the Food Tech online app at least once, because there you will find the different courses related to these examinations, in which in a comprehensive manner all the syllabus or all the topics are covered. Apart this, if you, again I mentioned that if you want to practice free MCQs and test your knowledge, the app is for you. Here various topic MCQs are provided. So to join the app, the link of the app is in the description of this video. So thank you for listening. You will connect with the Food Tech Online on the different platforms. Also, like on Telegram channel, you will find the PDF of this syllabus of Kerala FSO. Okay, then for other information, quick information and quick updates related to different food sector examination, you will join us on the Instagram, Telegram, even on LinkedIn and WhatsApp. So the link of the different social media sites is in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and we will meet in another video with such a informative content. And till then, have a great life, be healthy, be enjoyable.